Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. To start, string together 24 to 27 3mm gold round beads onto a piece of thread, and then cut out a piece of metallic gold paper measuring 28 diameters. Glue a 25 diameter mirror onto it. Then glue down beads. Punch out 8 to 10 gold metallic flowers. Start by gluing the larger flowers in between a bead, skipping 4 to 5 beads as you go. Place smaller flowers in front of the larger flowers. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.